I'm Kathy Casey and welcome to the Liquid Kitchen. I'm going to be making bitter orange and fennel walnuts. These are going to be really tasty with the cocktail that I'm going to make next. All right, we're going to start with some fennel seed, and this is fennel seed that I've picked from my garden. We let it go to seed every year and then we harvest it, and they're really dark and beautiful. So I'm going to grind these up in my mortar and pestle. Just crushing them, they smell so good. You can get your aggressions out here. All right, that looks good. I'm going to add this to my bowl, and then I have some sugar and some kosher salt and some black pepper. I'm going to stir that together and then set it off to the side. And then I'm going to make my bitters mixture. And I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of Berg & Hauck's orange bitters. This is going to add a really nice flavor to the nuts. And it's going to match our cocktail. So 1 and 2. Then I'm going to add an egg white. There we go. Get it all out. And then dispose of the yolk. Then I'm going to whisk this up. Till it's all incorporated. Then I'm going to add in my walnut pieces and give them a stir to coat well in our egg white and bitters mixture. Okay, and then I'm going to put them into a strainer just to see if there's any extra liquid that needs to come off. There's a little bit coming off there. All right, now I'm going to toss in my sugar and salt mixture and coating them really nicely. There we go. The fragrance of that fennel is amazing. I love it. All right, I'm going to just spread these out on my sheet pan. And then we're going to go into a 250-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 20 minutes, then give them a stir, and then about 20 minutes more until they're nice and crispy, and then we're going to let them cool and enjoy with our cocktail. Now that my walnuts are done, I'm going to go ahead and make the martini with orange bitters. I'm going to start out with 2 ounces of Martin Miller's gin. There we go, a nice full pour. And then 1 ounce of dry vermouth. And a couple of dashes of Berg & Hauck's orange bitters, the same one that we have in our walnuts. I'm going to ice my pitcher and then give it a good stir. Now that that's nice and cold, I'm going to strain it into my martini glass. Crisp and cold. For my garnish, I have an orange disc that I cut off, and I'm going to squeeze this right across the top to get those wonderful essential oils. And since I have some fennel growing in my urban garden, I'm going to add a little bit for garnish. The gin martini with orange bitters is going to be a great cocktail with our bitter orange and fennel walnuts. A perfect pairing.